Hey crypto enthusiasts, ever found yourself wishing there was a simpler, more integrated way to snag those coveted NFTs without bouncing between different platforms? A place where your crypto and your digital collectibles could live under one roof, managed by a name you already trust? Well, you're not alone. The clamor for seamless NFT trading within established crypto ecosystems has been growing louder, and one of the biggest names in the game, Kraken, has been listening. For those unfamiliar, Kraken is one of the world's largest and most respected cryptocurrency exchanges. Founded in 2011, they've built a reputation for security, reliability, and a wide range of supported digital assets. They're a go-to platform for millions of users looking to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. So, it's no surprise that their foray into the NFT space has generated significant buzz. Now, let's get straight to the burning question: when exactly is Kraken launching its NFT marketplace? As of today, Wednesday, May 7, 2025, Kraken has officially launched its NFT marketplace. This isn't just speculation or rumor, it's a reality. After months of anticipation and gradual feature rollouts, the full-fledged Kraken NFT marketplace is now live and accessible to its global user base. This launch marks a significant step for Kraken and for the broader NFT ecosystem. By integrating NFT trading directly into their existing platform, Kraken aims to lower the barrier to entry for both crypto veterans and newcomers interested in digital collectibles. But what can you actually do on the Kraken NFT marketplace right now? Let's dive into some of the key features and functionalities that are available from day one. First and foremost, you can, of course, buy and sell NFTs. The marketplace supports a wide array of NFT collections across different blockchains. While the initial focus might be on prominent blockchains like Ethereum, expect Kraken to potentially expand support to other chains like Solana, Polygon, and others in the future, based on user demand and the evolving NFT landscape. This multi-chain approach is crucial for attracting a diverse range of collectors and creators. Beyond simple buying and selling, Kraken's NFT marketplace offers advanced trading features that seasoned crypto users will appreciate. This includes the ability to place bids on NFTs, make offers on entire collections, and potentially even engage in more sophisticated trading strategies as the platform evolves. This level of functionality sets it apart from some of the more basic NFT marketplaces out there. One of the standout features that Kraken has highlighted is its focus on providing a seamless user experience. They understand that navigating the world of NFTs can be daunting for newcomers. By integrating the marketplace directly into their existing exchange platform, users can leverage their existing Kraken accounts and balances to participate in the NFT market. This eliminates the need to transfer funds between different platforms or manage separate wallets, streamlining the entire process. Furthermore, Kraken has emphasized the importance of providing comprehensive information and context around NFT collections. This includes verified collection details, historical price data, and potentially even analytics to help users make informed decisions. This focus on transparency and data-driven insights is a welcome addition to the NFT space, which has sometimes been criticized for its lack of standardization and information asymmetry. Another key aspect of the Kraken NFT marketplace is its commitment to security and trust. Kraken has a long-standing reputation for its robust security measures, and they are bringing that same level of scrutiny to the NFT platform. This includes measures to combat fraud, verify the authenticity of NFTs, and protect users' assets. In a space where scams and rug pulls have been a concern, having a trusted platform like Kraken enter the arena provides a significant boost of confidence for both buyers and sellers. Looking ahead, it's likely that Kraken will continue to expand the features and functionalities of its NFT marketplace. We can anticipate the potential integration of tools for creators to mint their own NFTs directly on the platform, further expanding its ecosystem. Features like fractionalized NFTs, allowing users to own a share of high-value digital assets, could also be on the horizon. The possibilities are vast, and Kraken's established infrastructure and user base position them well to become a major player in the NFT market. For existing Kraken users, the integration of the NFT Marketplace is a natural extension of the services they already utilize. It provides a convenient and familiar environment to explore the world of digital collectibles without the need to navigate unfamiliar platforms or manage multiple accounts. For those new to Kraken and the NFT space, the platform offers a potentially less intimidating entry point, backed by a reputable and regulated exchange. The launch of Kraken's NFT Marketplace also has broader implications for the NFT ecosystem as a whole. The entry of a major player like Kraken brings increased legitimacy and visibility to the asset class. It can attract a new wave of users who may have been hesitant to participate in the NFT market due to security concerns or the perceived complexity of existing platforms. This increased adoption can, in turn, drive further innovation and growth within the NFT space. Moreover, Kraken's focus on user experience and potentially lower fees, compared to some dedicated NFT marketplaces, could foster a more competitive environment, ultimately benefiting users. The competition among NFT marketplaces is likely to intensify, leading to better features, lower costs, and a more streamlined trading experience across the board. It's important to remember that the NFT market is still relatively young and rapidly evolving. While the launch of Kraken's marketplace is a significant milestone, the long-term success and impact will depend on various factors, including user adoption, the evolution of the NFT space itself, and Kraken's ability to continuously innovate and adapt to the changing landscape. For those eager to jump in, the best course of action is to visit the official Kraken website and navigate to their NFT marketplace section. You'll likely find detailed guides, FAQs, and information on supported collections and trading features. Keep an eye on Kraken's official announcements and social media channels for the latest updates and new features being rolled out. The arrival of Kraken's NFT marketplace marks an exciting new chapter in the world of digital collectibles. It brings the reliability and user-friendliness of a major cryptocurrency exchange to the NFT space, potentially unlocking new opportunities for both seasoned collectors and curious newcomers. The integration of crypto and NFTs on a single, trusted platform is a significant step towards mainstream adoption and a more seamless digital asset experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.